Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Seattle, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are looking at a question that comes up in a lot of planning calls. Should you build a ground-level patio or a raised deck? Both can create great outdoor living spaces, but they work differently with your house, your yard, and your budget. Let us start with raised decks. If the main floor of your home sits several feet above the ground, a deck is often the most natural way to create a level, comfortable step out from your interior. Decks use posts, beams, and joists to build a platform that matches your floor height even when the yard slopes away. This can be especially helpful on hillside lots or homes where the back door sits above grade. Raised decks also give you flexibility. You can add stairs down to the yard, create multiple levels, or integrate landings that make the transition safer and more comfortable. Railings are usually required for higher decks, which adds to safety and design options. You can also plan ahead for future features like a pergola, partial roof cover, or built-in seating, which can be framed right into the structure. Ground-level patios work differently. When the back door is closer to yard level, or when you are willing to step down a bit, a patio can be a strong choice. Patios are built on compacted base material with a hard surface on top, such as concrete or pavers. This creates a solid, durable surface that sits directly on or just above the ground. With the right grading and drainage, a patio can handle heavy furniture, fire pits, and outdoor kitchens very well. Maintenance is one of the big differences between these options. Decks built with wood will need regular care, including cleaning and periodic sealing or staining. Decks built with composite materials, such as Trex, reduce that ongoing work by using boards designed to resist moisture, fading, and rot. Patios need a different kind of care, like cleaning, occasional joint work for pavers, or sealing depending on the material, but they do not involve the same wood maintenance. Another factor is how you want to move through your space. If you like the idea of being at the same height as your home and enjoying views out over the yard, a raised deck has an advantage. If you prefer being closer to the lawn, garden beds, or play areas, a ground-level patio might feel more connected. In some backyards, combining the two, with a deck near the house and a patio below, offers the best of both worlds. Budget and site conditions matter too. Sloped yards, drainage challenges, and existing structures can all influence which option makes more sense. Sometimes a deck is the most practical way to work with a tricky grade. Other times, a patio fits better with existing walkways or retaining walls. The key is to look at the whole yard, not just the spot right outside the back door. If you are not sure which direction to go, it helps to talk through how you picture using the space in 5 or 10 years. Are you more likely to add a pergola, a covered roof, or an outdoor kitchen? Do you care more about ease of maintenance, lowest upfront cost, or long-term durability? A good plan will balance those priorities instead of focusing on only one. If you would like help sorting through those choices, you can reach our team at 206-202-3943 or visit toughdeckbuildersseattle.com to schedule a consultation. At Tough Deck Builders Seattle, we design and build decks and patios that fit your home, your yard, and your long-term plans. Thanks for tuning in to Deck Builders Seattle, and we will talk again soon.